besides the hose. Oh boy, I guess we should have got a bigger pool. What's that? Yes, he's good? Hmm? That's a good way to get a drink of water, huh? Yeah. Is that good, Rory? Oh boy. It's hot out. Still pretty good.
You know, you're going to have one heck of a time watering anything when she's around.
That's okay. Oh, she's loving it. Okay. It's like fighting the water.